Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be talking about how I achieved doing a passion twist. So first of all, I want to get started with the materials that I used. And the things that you're going to need is a crochet needle. You're also going to need the passion twist or the crochet passion twist. And the ones that I used, I actually bought from Amazon. They were called Flighting. And this color is 1B. I recommend getting a color that matches closer to your actual natural hair color. So it actually took me about, I would say 3 hours to do the whole install. I did crochet in the back and then I did individual in the front, and that's what I'm going to be mostly focusing on, is how I achieved doing the crochet twist in the front as an individual twist. In the back, I just twisted up my hair and I crocheted the hair onto the back, and I'll also go into what it looks like and what I did as well.
Alright guys, so basically I did the triangle parts. I used the rubber bands. As you can see, I put the crochet down through the top, then I pulled it through from the bottom, and you're going to basically open up the little hoop that's at the top of each crochet twist and take your hair and pull it through, and then you're going to tighten at the root. Okay, so as you can see, I'm tightening at the root, and I apologize guys for the focus. So what you see me applying is I was using Eco Styler gel. You can choose to use that, or you can also use edge control, but I wanted to apply that just so I know that there's no flyaways and it's not frizzy. So you're gonna unravel the twist as you see me doing here, and you're just gonna twist in the same direction that the actual crochet passion twist is going. So as you can see, I'm just twisting down, making sure that I'm twisting in the same direction that the passion twist goes. And you just twist all the way down until you don't see any until all of your hair is basically inside that twist, basically. So guys, this installation is pretty easy. As I said earlier, it only took me about 3 hours to install these, and all you're doing is really twisting your hair in this with the new twist. So it kind of alleviates a lot of the time that you would spend twisting the entire length of the hair or extension. So once you get all of your hair into that twist, you just twist a little bit more and you kind of twirl it where you stop twisting, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, I'm twirling it where my hair ended, just so I know that the twist continues. And as you can see, you can't even see my hair, and it basically looks exactly the same as it did when it came up the box. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show you how I did the back. Now the back, I just crocheted them in. I didn't add my hair to the actual twist. So I had a couple of parts of my own hair twisted just how those twists are. So you can see a little bit right there on my neck that there's a twist of my own. That the ones that are shorter obviously is my hair, but you can barely even tell which is which. So I'm taking the crochet needle, I'm putting my hair or the crochet twist through it, mine here at the root. Then I'm taking and doing the same thing. This part was like the easiest because I didn't have to add any of my hair. I was basically just adding it to the back. And that's basically how I did. I did that throughout each part. I put in each part, each twist that I had, I added about 3 to 4 twists depending on how big the part was, so people don't really recognize when they look at the back of your head, it looks full. And you want to put these crochet twists on top of the twist, not on the bottom of the twist. So here I'm showing you here. I'm putting it on top, not on the bottom. Because then your twist is going to show more than the actual crochet twist. And then you just loop it through the hoop, and that's pretty much it. And that's what I did for most of it.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them.